To find your missing Shokz OpenDots Air is fairly simple. Now, let's say, for example, these are somewhere maybe in your couch or on the floor and you can't see them. Finding them is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply open up the Shokz app, and then you want to go ahead and select Find My Earbuds. Then you can ping either left or right, depending on which one is missing. So you can just tap on this ping, ping, and once you find it, you should be able to just put it into the case and it should automatically stop pinning. Alternatively, you can always, if you don't want to put it into case, you can always just stop it like so. Now, you can also ping the other ear if it's the one that's also missing. So you can go ahead and just ping and then put it in the case so that you now have found successfully your missing Shokz OpenDots Air. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.